Welcome back to my channel. Let's whip up a fresh, vibrant and absolutely delicious corn salsa that's perfect for any occasion. Start with 1 cup of boiled corn, it's the star of the show. Then add 1 cup of boiled red beans for that hearty goodness. Toss in half a cup of diced bell peppers for a pop of color and crunch. Follow it up with 1 cup of juicy tomatoes and half a cup of diced onions for that perfect salsa vibe. Don't forget to add a quarter cup of chopped green onions to brighten up the mix, and finally add a splash of 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for that tangy twist. Now let's prepare the dressing, it's where the magic happens. Combine 4 tablespoons of olive oil with 2 tablespoons of honey for a subtle sweetness. Then add half a teaspoon each of salt, garlic powder and black pepper to balance the flavors. Now give it all a good whisk. Then pour it over your salsa ingredients. Mix everything together until it's beautifully coated. And there you have it, your colorful zesty corn salsa is ready to serve. It's perfect as a side dish, a dip or even a taco topper. If you like watching my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. Happy cooking and see you next time. Bye bye.